out of the game. I need you to step out of the circle.
Well, today is about our Student Voices, and Student Voices is a leadership program where we take students from each of our high schools and we build them as leaders, and we take them out and they do workshops and presentations with our elementary schools.
So it really starts at the home and the parents.
Do not be afraid to ask questions.
It's fun. We get to come together and use our voices and see people that we don't see on a regular because they go to different schools.
I've always been in a weird spot in life where it's like, since I'm mixed, I'm too white to be black, but I'm too black to be white. So it's just really great seeing other people that know kind of what it is.
So today we separated into groups, and the groups are mixed with different high schools, and they will rotate around and answer the questions, pretty much give their perspective on what they feel would help change some of that ineffective adult behavior.
If school is really for us, why can't it be really about us, you know?
I feel like with this we get to really sit down and discuss more about what we're looking for in the school system, and a lot of things that we don't see like we want to happen. I'm actually glad that we're sitting down and having this discussion.
That's where part of like being comfortable with the teacher comes in.
It means a lot because like for us minorities, we don't get to really talk about this stuff at school, so it's been really hard. And I think that like when you come here, you feel like you can say anything. And like I think it's like a good opportunity for you to open up.
Think about school rules.
So today our students are talking about our equity achievement plan. I do believe that our equity achievement plan is going in a positive direction, and it has really opened a lot of doors.
Well, I feel like we can all get united and, you know, see all of our differences and stuff.
You still have to take baby steps if you really want big changes to happen.
They don't stand for us. They don't fight for us.
My favorite part is like hearing like people's stories and like what they go through and how they accomplished it, or like how they overcame the obstacles.
No matter as much you feel like your voice doesn't matter, it does matter. Never back down from anything. Be respectful for how you use your voice, but your voice does matter and it will be heard.